Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge. Are you ready to unleash your financial power and create a life of abundance? Today we're diving deep into the habits that might be holding you back. We're talking about the 5 things you need to stop doing right now to avoid attracting poverty. That's right, poverty isn't just about the money you have, it's a mindset. It's time to break free from those limiting beliefs and step into a future of prosperity and fulfillment. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights on wealth creation and personal growth. Let's get real for a moment. Do you know where your money is going every single month? Are you fully aware of every dollar spent? Or are you letting it slip through your fingers like grains of sand, unnoticed and unaccounted for? Awareness, my friends, is the first step to transformation. It's the key to unlocking financial freedom. You can't expect to master your finances if you're living in the dark, unaware of your spending habits. It's time to shine a light on your spending habits. Illuminate every corner of your financial life. Grab a notebook, open a spreadsheet, or download a financial tracking app, whatever works best for you. The tool doesn't matter as much as the action. For the next month, I challenge you to track every single dollar that comes in and goes out, and I mean everything, that daily coffee, those impulse buys, those subscriptions you've forgotten about, bring them all into the light. No expense is too small to be noted. This isn't about judgment, it's about awareness. It's about understanding your financial behavior. Once you have a clear picture of your spending patterns, you'll be amazed at how much money is leaking out on things you don't even value. That's where the real magic happens. That's where you can start making impactful changes. You can start making conscious decisions about where you want your money to go, aligning it with your true priorities, redirecting it towards your goals and dreams. This is the path to financial empowerment and success. Now let's talk about the power of discipline. The truth is, financial freedom isn't about depriving yourself. It's about making empowered choices that align with your values. And it all starts with paying yourself first. Before you even think about paying bills or buying groceries, set aside a portion of your income for savings. This is non-negotiable. Think of it as a fundamental investment in your future. Start small if you have to. Even $10 or $20 a week adds up over time. The key is to make it a habit, an unbreakable commitment to your financial well-being. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Tony, I can barely make ends meet as it is. How am I supposed to save? And I hear you. But here's the thing. Saving isn't about having extra money, it's about making a conscious decision to prioritize your future self. It's about breaking free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle and creating a life of true abundance. Let's address the elephant in the room. That inner critic that loves to tell you you're not good enough, smart enough, or disciplined enough to achieve financial success. We all have one, but here's the secret. You don't have to listen to it. In fact, the most successful people in the world are often the ones who have failed the most. The difference is, they don't let those setbacks define them. They use them as fuel to learn, grow, and come back stronger than ever. So, if you've made financial mistakes in the past, and who hasn't, I need you to release the shame and guilt right now. Instead of dwelling on what went wrong, shift your focus to what you can learn from the experience. What could you have done differently? What steps can you take to avoid making the same mistake again? Remember, every setback is an opportunity for a comeback. Embrace the journey, learn from your experiences, and never stop believing in your ability to create a brighter future. You've heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. And let me tell you, it's not just a saying, it's the truth. The people you surround yourself with have a profound impact on your mindset, your beliefs, and ultimately, your results. If you're constantly surrounded by negativity, scarcity, and a lack of ambition, guess what? That's going to rub off on you. Negativity is like a virus. It spreads quickly and can be hard to shake off. But here's the good news. The opposite is also true. When you surround yourself with positive, supportive, and growth-oriented individuals, their energy becomes contagious. They inspire you to raise your own standards, to dream bigger, and to take action towards your goals. Their success stories become your motivation, so take a good look at your social circle. Are the people you're spending time with lifting you up or dragging you down? Are they encouraging your growth or stifling your potential? If it's the latter, it might be time to make some changes. Seek out mentors, join mastermind groups, and attend events where you can connect with like-minded individuals who are committed to growth and abundance. These environments are fertile grounds for new ideas and opportunities. Remember, your network is your net worth. The quality of your relationships can determine the quality of your life. Choose wisely. The words you speak have incredible power. They shape your reality and influence your actions. They can either limit your potential or unleash it. The language you use can be a powerful tool for growth or a barrier to success. And one of the most common phrases that keeps people stuck in a poverty mindset is I can't afford it, I can't make it work, I can't start a business, I can't get ahead. These words create a mental block that prevents you from seeing opportunities. Every time you say I can't, you're essentially giving up before you even start. You're setting yourself up for failure. You're closing yourself off to possibilities and reinforcing a belief that you're not capable of achieving your dreams. This mindset can be paralyzing, but here's the thing, you are capable of amazing things. You have the power to change your narrative. You have untapped potential within you, just waiting to be unleashed. The first step is to believe in yourself. The key is to shift your language from I can't to how can I. This small change can make a big difference. Instead of saying I can't afford to save, ask yourself, how can I create more income or reduce my expenses so I can start saving? Look for creative solutions. Instead of saying I can't start a business, ask yourself, how can I acquire the knowledge, skills, and resources I need to launch my dream business? Seek out mentors and learning opportunities. This simple shift in language can have a profound impact on your mindset and your results. It encourages proactive thinking. It opens your mind to possibilities, empowers you to find solutions, and unlocks your true potential. Embrace the power of positive language and watch your life transform. Thanks for watching. Remember, you don't need to strive for luxury, but you must never hesitate to invest in your growth, your image, and your family's well-being. These are not expenses. They are the seeds of future prosperity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Entrepreneurial Edge for more valuable content. We're here to support you every step of the way on your journey to financial freedom. See you in the next video.